This isn't just a 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback, it's a perfectly restored American legend worth $129,900. Wait until you hear that iconic 289 V8 roar. 1966 was the year when the Ford Mustang cemented its place as an American icon, and this breathtaking 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback proves exactly why enthusiasts still dream about owning one today. Finished in a stunning red-on-red color combination and carrying a price tag of $129,900, this classic isn't just another vintage muscle car, it's a beautifully restored piece of automotive history that combines timeless styling, engaging performance, and unmistakable presence. From the moment it rolls into view, every curve, every chrome accent, and every detail reminds you why the Mustang changed the automotive world forever. Under the hood sits the legendary Ford 289 cubic inch Windsor V8 engine, one of the most respected small block V8s ever built. Known for its reliability, smooth power delivery, and unmistakable exhaust note, the 289 transformed the Mustang into a genuine performance machine. Feeding the engine is a Motorcraft 2-barrel carburetor, delivering crisp throttle response while preserving the authentic driving experience that made these classics famous. Every press of the accelerator unleashes that unmistakable V8 soundtrack that enthusiasts have loved for generations. Power is transferred through the legendary Toploader 4-speed manual transmission, widely regarded as one of Ford's strongest and most reliable manual gearboxes. Every gear change is mechanical, precise, and satisfying, creating a direct connection between driver and machine that modern cars simply cannot replicate. This transmission perfectly complements the character of the 289 V8, making every drive feel like an event rather than just transportation. Helping put the power to the pavement is a Ford 8-inch rear end paired with an approximately 3.23:1 gear ratio. This setup provides an excellent balance between lively acceleration and comfortable cruising speeds. An open differential keeps the drivetrain faithful to its original factory-style configuration, maintaining the authentic personality of this first-generation Mustang. The suspension remains true to the Mustang's classic engineering. An independent front suspension provides confident steering and improved ride quality, while the traditional rear leaf spring suspension delivers the rugged durability that helped make these cars legendary. Together, they provide a balanced driving experience that is comfortable enough for weekend cruising while still capturing the unmistakable feel of a true 1960s muscle car. Driving confidence is further enhanced with power steering, making low-speed maneuvering and parking remarkably easy for a classic vehicle. The braking system features power-assisted front and rear drum brakes, preserving the Mustang's factory-correct appearance while offering dependable stopping performance. Riding on 14-inch wheels wrapped in 570 R14 tires at both the front and rear, this Fastback maintains the proper stance and classic proportions that enthusiasts admire. Visually, this Mustang is absolutely breathtaking. The brilliant red exterior paint radiates under the light, emphasizing every sharp body line and the instantly recognizable Fastback roofline. The flowing silhouette remains one of the most celebrated designs in automotive history. With its long sculpted hood, aggressive front grille, and sweeping rear profile, creating a look that remains timeless nearly 6 decades later. Adding even more elegance are the beautifully polished chrome accents that frame the body from every angle. The factory-style Mustang badging proudly displays its heritage, while the carefully finished trunk, complete with a spare tire, demonstrates the attention to detail invested throughout the restoration. Every panel, every trim piece, and every reflection showcases the quality expected from a collector-grade Mustang. Beneath the body, the restoration continues with thoughtful upgrades that enhance reliability without sacrificing originality. A new gas tank ensures dependable fuel delivery, while new brake lines and new fuel lines improve safety and long-term durability. A new single exhaust system produces the unmistakable rumble of the 289 V8 while remaining true to the Mustang's classic personality. The black painted frame and black painted floorboards complete an exceptionally clean undercarriage that reflects the meticulous care given to this vehicle. Open the door and you're welcomed by an interior that perfectly complements the exterior. The vibrant red cabin surrounds passengers in authentic 1960s style. Plush seating, matching red carpeting, and a beautifully finished red headliner create a rich, cohesive appearance that immediately transports you back to the golden era of American performance cars. The interior also blends classic style with everyday comfort. A factory-style steering wheel places the driver firmly in control, while the center console enhances both convenience and visual appeal. A factory-style radio preserves the nostalgic dashboard appearance, and the inclusion of air conditioning adds modern comfort that makes this Mustang enjoyable even during warm summer drives. The fold-down rear seat, one of the Fastback's signature features, adds practicality by expanding cargo space while maintaining the car's unique design. Front and rear seat belts provide additional peace of mind for passengers. What truly sets this Mustang apart is how faithfully it captures the spirit of the original while benefiting from careful restoration and thoughtful maintenance. It doesn't rely on oversized engines or modern modifications to make an impression. Instead, it celebrates the engineering, styling, and driving experience that made the Mustang one of the most successful sports cars in American history. Every start of the engine, every shift through the top-loader transmission, and every glance at its stunning fastback silhouette reminds you why these cars continue to appreciate in both popularity and value. Whether displayed at prestigious car shows, admired at weekend cruise nights, or enjoyed on scenic back roads, this Mustang commands attention everywhere it goes. With its legendary 289 Windsor V8 top-loader 4-speed manual transmission, striking red-on-red color combination, desirable factory-style features, meticulously restored undercarriage, and timeless fastback design, this 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback stands as one of the finest examples of America's original pony car. At $129,900, it represents more than a classic automobile. It represents an investment in history, craftsmanship, and an unforgettable driving experience that continues to inspire enthusiasts around the world. If you love legendary American classics like this incredible Mustang Fastback, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because the next automotive masterpiece is just around the corner.